Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix notification problem on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get app notifications on your Android mobile phone, first thing first, you need to go to your settings application, and then you have to open the notification setting right here. And here guys, you have to check your do not disturb mode, whether you activate this feature or not. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see here, I have activated my do not disturb mode. If you want to get app notification, we have to turn off this feature. You just need to click on the circle button to disable this feature, and then you have to check your app notifications as well. Just go to the app notifications, and here you can turn on all app notifications on your Android mobile phone. You just need to click on the toggle button to turn off to turn on the app notification, just like this, and make sure you have turned on them all. Okay, and if this trick still doesn't work on your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to update your application. You can go to your Play Store and then open your profile on the top right and select the manage apps and device, and here you can click on updates available, and you can choose update all. It means that you want to update all application on your Android mobile phone, or you can also choose a specific application. Let's say you have notification problem on your Instagram, so you can just update this Instagram application like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way how to fix notification problem on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.